The Italian authorities are trying to answer what should be a simple question. Exactly how many people were on board the stricken Norman Atlantic? The original passenger manifest, compiled in Greece, gives one number, but Italy's current tally, compiled during its rescue operation, gives a lower number. No one's yet sure why the two numbers don't match. Did the ferry company miscount its passengers? Or might there still be bodies on board or in the sea which have yet to be found? The Italian Coast Guard has decided to conduct a thorough review.
The fact is that among the people rescued, there are some names that are not on the manifest. At this point, we need to review entirely all those who embarked on this trip, and this is what's giving us some difficulty.
The rescue operation was conducted amid considerable danger and panic. Passengers have said that the crew on board was unable to cope. Families were split up and are still trying to get back together. It may take some time to double-check each name. And the ship itself has yet to be fully secured. Italian officials declared on Monday afternoon that the rescue of survivors was complete. But the confusion over the passenger list complicates all of their efforts. Rescuers can no longer say for sure exactly how many people they should have been looking for. James Reynolds, BBC News, Brindisi.